Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. This is my outfit of the day. This off-the-shoulder v-neck crop top is from Forever 21. I got it a couple years ago. And then I really love these high-waisted linen pants. They have pockets, of course, and they're a little bit longer. So if you have thicker thighs, you could appreciate that. It definitely gives me more confidence and makes me feel a little more chic when they're not so short. This is the back. I love the way the crop top looks in the back as well. And then my shoes are from Marshall's. It's just kind of a nude sandal with a rounded heel. And then my purse I got several years ago from TJ Maxx. We have finally reached a beautiful 77 degrees today. So I am dressed for the occasion. I can't wait to go out. I'm gonna go get a boba tea. Let me see what else is on the agenda. I'm gonna stop by Sephora and try the Sol de Janeiro body sprays. There's a food truck festival going on tonight, and Chris and I are going with some friends. He has some friends coming in from Oklahoma, and we're gonna go check it out, try some good food. And I'm waiting on my Yum Pistachio Gelato perfume from Kayali to come in. I ordered it like a week and a half ago. It's been sold out for so long. It's back in stock, and I can't wait to try it. So yeah, we're about to go out and enjoy the weather. I am so excited. I got the pina colada flavor and it's almost done already. It's so good. I'm looking for the body spray that is just right for hot weather. I want to just not wear a perfume since it's a food truck festival we're going to. Like perfume and food, like the smell can be too strong. So I just want to get, you know, some kind of nice body spray. So let's see what they have. Get all three. Oh my gosh, they smell incredible. The pistachio. Oh, so good. And let me not forget this right here, this gem right here. This is the Way St. Bart's body cream. Oh, it smells so good, and I can never find the body cream at Ulta. I had to get mine from Sephora online because I don't carry it in my store. Anyway. I'm gonna stash half of it in this bowl, and the other half I hide in a closet, in a linen closet. I just have to put it somewhere where Chris won't see it, and we're good. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. My Sephora box just got here, and my Kayali perfume is in there, the Yum Pistachio Gelato. And my hair is wild. I'm just like relaxing in my robe before we go to the food truck festival. But I wanted to try it on camera. It has a description on the back: pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. Okay. Let me put you guys down. I'm so excited. Isn't this exciting? Hold on. It doesn't smell good on me. Or maybe it just doesn't smell good in general. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys have this? I know a lot of people are trying it. It's sold out everywhere. Or it was for a long time. Moving on. Morning guys, it is 7 a.m. on Saturday. We didn't get any footage of the food truck festival because it was just jam-packed and we had fistful of food. Thought I should tell you guys it was incredible, the food. Right now we're headed to Chris's first softball game. He's on the league for our church. We're ready to go. We're going on the architecture boat tour. I just got up not too long ago and I wanted to just jump on here right quick and give a little outro. I know that this is the world's shortest vlog, but you know when you have family or friends come into town and you're doing so much and you want to take them sightseeing and you want to go eat at great places and you sit and talk forever and you have dessert and coffee, and it was really impossible to vlog, and I wouldn't want to be rude and do that and work while they're visiting for just a couple of days. So we really just took some time off. Chris took time off work and enjoyed the moment. We were present and we did the most that we could. So it was either I didn't have a vlog at all or I got some snippets of our activities and what we did. So I hope you guys were able to enjoy what I did put out, and the next one will be back to normal, I assure you. It was just one of those days. I slept for 10 hours. I was exhausted. We had so much fun. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.